Hi guys, my daughter just sent me a Pinterest link which I've just tried out and it works. This is what we make. So I'm just going to clear the table off and do a quick video of it. I'll give you the link in my video description. That's it. https://pinit.it/lnplgqih-r5pfsk. But I'll put that in the video description. Right, I'll clear this off the table because I was doing something completely different. Put camera on the tripod and we'll have a go at this. Before we go too far on this, I'll just demonstrate the slope that you need to have the surface on. It's got to be just right, and you've also got to adjust the legs just right or it won't work. That's what we should have happening, but you should get all the way to the bottom. So I've got a slight bow in that bit of cardboard. Try it the other way up. Not enough. And if it's too much, it slips. And if it's too little, it doesn't work. So I'll just pre-warn you with that. If you try it and it doesn't work, you may have to play with your angles. Or adjust your legs a bit. Even the height of the head and the tail makes a difference because that alters the balance as it's rocking. So don't expect it to work perfectly. You can either spend a long time getting it right, or you can just accept it's not going to be perfect. Okay, now the original diagram was in centimetres, 555, and then 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, and then these little triangles on the bottom of the feet, as you'll see they're just cut off at a slight angle, 0.3. So you've got little corners cut off. Now I have just marked up another one so I can do it, but I just thought I might do one in inches instead of centimetres, and it probably won't work, but we'll give it a try. So we'll try inches instead. That's going to be quite a bit bigger, isn't it? In fact, yeah, if we do it in inches, I can't even get it on the page because that would be 5, 10, I'd need 15 inches, so I'll do it in ½ inches instead. So that'll be 2.5, 5, 7.5. Do that again. 2.5, 5, 7.5, and then coming across this way, it was 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Let's just go for it. I'm going to make it 3 inches wide. So each leg is 1 inch. So this is just winging it. Which is probably not a good idea. So if it doesn't work, you'll have to try the original dimensions. I'm going to come up 1/4 inch. So that is 2.5 inches and 1, 1, 1, and that's that was actually 0.25, that little bit there. No idea if this is going to work. Just bend that along that line. Whoa, it's New Year's Eve and it's about 11:30 at night at the moment. Some scissors around here somewhere. Yeah. Okay, somebody thinks they can do it half an hour early. Right, so we bend one up that way, the other one up that way. One's going to be the tail, so we'll roll it up a bit. The other's going to be the head, so we'll just sort of bend it like that a bit. Get our bit of card. Success, he says, and it stops just before it gets to the bottom. Yeah, that'll do. We'll just try that from a different angle. Now I apologise because I didn't catch the name of the person who designed this. Let's move the camera a bit. And as I said before, the actual position of the legs and all that makes quite a difference as to whether it works. That slipped then. Made it to the bottom that time. So yeah, there you go. No idea what it's called. Just a bit of bent card, and this particular one I did 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches, and going across 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, and the triangle out the corner I came up 1/4 inch, so 1/4 inch on there, 1/4 inch on there, and so on. And it does make a lot of difference as to exactly how you adjust those legs as to whether it's going to go or not. Yeah. And the angle of the slope. You don't want too much of a slope, because if it's too much it actually starts sliding rather than digging in and making steps. Job done. Well, there you go. You made it all the way to the end of another one of my videos. If you want more information, there'll be stuff down there in the video description. If you actually liked that video, you might find this one up here interesting too. And if you like both of them, you might want to subscribe over here. Thanks very much for watching. It's much appreciated.